Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another free preset to give away. It'll be in the description below. Resolve has one of these already in their system. I made mine a little bit different. This one's Resolve's and this one's mine. And after you download it, look for SDS Rolling Ball Title. I didn't know what else to name it, so I just named it that. It'll be in titles and it changes as it rolls over it. Here's Resolves. You can change the text on both. And if you change the font, it'll change it on both of them. If you click in a custom box, for whatever reason, it won't do anything until you pick a color. Now you can use the custom box. And you have light intensity. Now this one, you click right in the custom box. But for whatever reason, the other one won't do that. Like I said, it'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.